Hi, when winter is coming, Winter Holiday is a story you would want to use in a classroom. It's an exciting story of a holiday adventure with Spikey and his family as the main characters. Lots of action, naturally, culminating in children making a snowman. There are emotions, various feelings, all neatly wrapped up in a story. Let's sneak a peek inside. Hi, I'm Mia and Winter Holiday is my story. Anya Petrarca illustrated it and she made a great job capturing the entire text and illustrations. But you know, Winter Holiday is not just a picture book. It's much more. It's a bundle with all the material inside for the teacher to make an exciting and motivating learning experience for their pupils. So first, its container is already a treat. It's a practical box you can easily put on a shelf when you don't need it, and it decorates your office. Inside, there's a folder, and when you open it, all the props are saved inside. First, there's the picture book Winter Holiday with Anya's magnificent illustrations. Look, this is Spikey. This is his sister, Pointy, his brother Freezy, Mum, Dad, and the baby Flake. They jump off the cloud and down they glide through the sky. While gliding down, Spikey meets different things that evoke different emotions in him. Naturally, there's a conflict and Spikey gets lost. He's tossed around. Why? Because he is caught in the middle of the snowman making. It all went well, of course, and Spikey gets united with his family. For the purpose of making a picture story, you get illustrations with no text. How to make a picture story? Well, it's all written in the instructions. And if you still don't know how to and you need some help, you get QR codes and they will lead you to the online recordings. Then you get 240, yes, you heard that right, 240 flashcards in 2 different versions for each word. See, there's one version where you get the picture on the one side and the word is in the back. And 2, the same, where the picture and the word are on the same side. It's really great to have that many variations of the same word if you have a bigger class. See, they are stored in these little plastic pockets and they can really easily be found. Not just found, also taken out and put back in. The next thing, there are reading and writing sheets. There are 3 different levels. The blue ones are the toughest ones. The red and orange ones are the easier ones. And the green one is the middle one. They are laminated, so they are reusable. How to use them? One way, you simply take the write and wipe off pen and write the missing word in the gap. And you wipe it off if you think you've made a mistake. But if children don't know which word, could fit in or how to spell, you've got the words that are included in the parcel. So you simply take the word out. So when the words are taken out, you take patafix and fix the word on the right gap. Of course, this is the text that children already know because we've gone through all the project steps. And you can see the orange words belong to the orange text. The red words belong to the red text. The dark blue ones belong to the dark blue text, and so on and so on. It's all color coded. I have already mentioned the instructions. In them, you'll find a key to the gap fill activities and all the steps to make an engaging project using the included material. Cool, isn't it? And guess what? You can make a project with that material with 6-year-olds as well as with older children up to the age 11. It all depends how deep into the project you're willing to go. If you don't know how to go about the project, one thing is there are instructions included in the bundle. The second thing is there is this ChestBook study group you can join and you get all the support you need. We're there to help you all the way through. The community gives you the support, friendship, fun, and we exchange ideas whenever we get the chance. And guess what? There's always a good offer waiting for you. Just check out the description below to see what's on the menu today. Of course, you can always contact me and ask me any questions you want regarding the ChestBook teaching and the material. The contact information is in the description. And while you're at it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell to be notified whenever a new video is out.